Budgeting Basics: How to Create a Personal Budget from Scratch. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting and informative video for you on a topic that is crucial for anyone looking to take control of their finances: budgeting basics. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a personal budget from scratch. So, let's jump right in. Understanding income and expenses. The first step in creating a personal budget is understanding your income and expenses. Start by gathering all your financial information, including your pay stubs, bank statements, and bills. Calculate your monthly income, which includes your salary, side income, and any other sources. Next, categorize your expenses into fixed, such as rent/mortgage, utilities, and loan payments, and variable, such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. This will give you a clear picture of your financial inflows and outflows. Setting financial goals. Now that you have a clear understanding of your income and expenses, it's time to set financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve in the short term and long term. It could be saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals will help you stay focused and motivated throughout your budgeting journey. Tracking spending. Tracking your spending is a critical aspect of budgeting. It helps you identify areas where you may be overspending and allows you to make necessary adjustments. There are various methods you can use, from manual tracking in a notebook or spreadsheet to using budgeting apps and online tools. Find the method that works best for you and diligently track every expense, both big and small. Allocating funds to categories. Once you have a good grasp of your income, expenses, and financial goals, it's time to allocate funds to different categories. Start with the essential expenses, such as rent, utilities, and debt payments. Then, allocate funds for savings, including emergency savings, retirement contributions, and any other specific goals you have identified. Finally, assign amounts to discretionary spending categories, such as entertainment and dining out. Remember, it's essential to strike a balance between saving and enjoying your hard-earned money. Prioritizing and adjusting. As you create your budget, it's important to prioritize your spending based on your financial goals. Allocate more funds to categories that align with your priorities and cut back on areas where you can reduce expenses. Be flexible and willing to make adjustments as needed. Your budget should be a living document that adapts to changes in your income, expenses, and financial circumstances. Tips for successful budgeting. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to help you succeed in your budgeting journey. First, be realistic and honest with yourself about your spending habits. Don't underestimate or overestimate your income and expenses. Second, regularly review your budget to ensure you're staying on track and making progress towards your goals. Third, practice discipline and self-control when it comes to impulse spending. Remember, a budget is a tool to help you achieve financial freedom. Budgeting is a powerful tool that can transform your financial life. It allows you to make intentional decisions about how you allocate your money, helping you save more, pay off debt, and work towards your financial goals. Remember, budgeting is not about restricting yourself or making sacrifices. It's about aligning your spending with your values and priorities, ultimately giving you more control and freedom over your money. Staying motivated and overcoming challenges. While creating a budget is important, sticking to it can sometimes be challenging. It's essential to stay motivated along the way. Celebrate small victories, track your progress, and remind yourself of the financial goals you're working towards. If you encounter setbacks or unexpected expenses, don't get discouraged. adjust your budget as needed and keep moving forward. Remember, every step you take towards better financial management is a step towards a brighter future. Additional resources and tools. To further support you on your budgeting journey, take advantage of additional resources and tools available to you. There are numerous budgeting apps and online platforms that can automate tracking, provide visual representations of your spending, and offer insights to help you make informed decisions. Additionally, consider educating yourself through books, podcasts, and financial courses. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to manage your finances effectively. Thank you for watching us today as we explored the budgeting basics and how to create a personal budget from scratch. Remember, budgeting is a skill that takes time to develop, so be patient with yourself. Start small, be consistent, and over time, you'll see the positive impact it has on your financial well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more finance and investing content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy budgeting!